I had one setback when I was replacing my emblems. I had bought a very nice set online as an NOS set that was said to fit 68 to 70, but as it turns out, it's not the same as the 68 and 69. Look at the difference between the wings. The 68, 69 are very thin. You can see it's got a higher feather count, and it's has a much more organic look. And then 1970, you can see, is more stylized. There's less feathers. And the way I was able to figure it out is I actually had a 1970 tank handy to compare it to. And as you can see, that is a match. So the 68, 69 are not interchangeable in 1970s. Fortunately, I had an extra set, so I was able to repair my 69 tank, which is going to go on my bike.